Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how buildings stay cool in summer, warm in winter, and quiet even in noisy areas? Well, the answer is insulation. My name is Mufaddal Anandwala, and today I will explain types of insulation in a very simple and interesting way. So, first of all, what exactly is insulation? Insulation is a method used to reduce or prevent transfer of heat, sound, and electricity. In simple words, it controls how energy moves from one place to another. Now let us see insulation types. Heat control. It reduces heat transfer, maintaining comfortable temperature. Sound damping minimizes sound transmission, creating quieter environment. Electrical insulation prevent electrical current flow, ensuring safety. Scope in civil engineering used in construction for structure integrity and insulation. Electrical system provide protect electrical components and prevent short circuits. Industrial application enhance industrial process and equipment efficiently. Now we will see application of insulation. First, apply insulation. Install materials to reduce energy flow, resist energy transfer, block conduction, convection and radiation, trap air pocket, create air gaps to slow energy transfer, improves efficiency, reduce energy consumption and cost, enhance comfort, maintain stable and temperature and reduce noise, and ensure safety, prevent electrical hazards and fire spread. Now we'll see purpose of insulation. The main purpose of insulation are maintain indoor temperature, reduce energy consumption, provide thermal comfort, minimizes noise pollution, prevent electrical hazards, increase system efficiency. Insulation is broadly divided into three types. First is thermal insulation, which controls heat transfer to maintain indoor temperature and reduce energy consumption. Second is electrical insulation, prevents electrical current flow to ensure safety and prevent hazard. Third is acoustic insulation, which reduces sound transmission to minimize noise pollution. Now, first let us see thermal insulation in detail. First, reduced heat transfer minimizes heat loss or gain between surfaces. Second, material. Glass wool, rock wool, thermocol foam are the common material used in thermal insulation. Third, application. Used in roof, wall, pipeline, HVAC system. Fourth, energy efficient. Important for creating energy efficient building. These are the material used in thermal insulation. First is HVAC system, second is thermocol, third is glass wool, fourth is foam. Now let us see electrical insulation application. The first is safety, prevent electric shock and current leakage. Second is functionality, ensure proper functioning of electrical system. Third is equipment, used in wires, cables and transformers. Now, these are the layers which a wire includes. First is Cu conductor, second is the inner one is Cu conductor, after that XLPE insulation, third wrapping tape, fourth inner sheet polyvinyl chloride PVC, fifth armor non-magnetic steel wire, and the first most layer is outer sheet PVC. Now, third application is acoustic insulation application. It is used in auditorium to enhance sound clarity and reduce echoes, in offices to create a quieter and more productive workplace, in studios to minimize external noise interference. This is the acoustic form which are applied on walls. Now, the properties of good insulating materials. First is low thermal conductivity. Material with low thermal conductivity are good insulators. Second, High resistance to heat transfer. Good insulator resists the flow of heat efficiently. Lightweight and easy to handle. Insulating materials should be lightweight and easy to work with. Fourth, durable and long lasting. Insulating materials should be durable, last for long time. Fire resisting properties. Fire resisting properties are important for safety. Moisture resistance. Moisture resistance property damage and maintains effectiveness. Fifth, economical and easily available. Insulating materials should be economical and easily readily available. Now we will see what are the factors affecting insulation performance. First is age condition. Old and damaged insulation loses its insulating capacity. Temperature difference. A larger temperature difference increases heat transfer. Installation technique. Proper installation ensures optical performance. Moisture content. Moisture reduces insulation effectiveness. Material quality. Higher quality material offers superior insulating properties. Thickness. Thicker insulation generally provides better thermal resistance. Now we will see application of insulation in civil engineering. First, building walls and roof. Insulation in walls and roof for temperature control. Pipe insulation. Insulation in water supply pipe for energy efficiency. HVAC system. Insulation in HVAC system for energy efficient. Soundproofing. Insulation in auditoriums and building for sound control. Cold storage. Insulation in cold storage structure for temperature control. Now we will see innovation in insulation technology. First is aerogel, offer exceptional thermal resistance. Vacuum insulation panels (VIP) provide superior insulation with minimal thickness. Reflective insulation utilize aluminum foil to reflect heat. Spray foam insulation expands to fill gaps and create an airtight seal. Eco-friendly material includes cellulose and cork for sustainable insulation. The future scope of insulation. The first is smart material. Development of insulation material that can adapt to changing conditions. Second is sustainable material. Use of environmental friendly and renewable sources in insulation production. Third, energy efficient building. Construction of buildings that minimize energy consumption through effective insulation. Green building integration. Combining insulation with other green building practices for holistic sustainability. Increase in demand. Growing need for insulation due to rising energy conservation awareness. Now, benefits of insulation. First in the main is energy saving, reduce energy consumption and cost. Second, indoor comfort, enhance comfort levels within spaces. Third, noise reduction, minimize and sound transmission and pollution. Fourth, structural longevity, expands the lifespan of building and equipment. Environmental friendliness, lower carbon emission and promotes sustainability. Sixth, electrical safety, improves safety in electrical system. Now we'll see disadvantages of insulation. High cost. Initial investment limits widespread adoption. Installation quality. Improper insulation comprises insulation purpose. Wall thickness. Insulation increase structural dimension and cost. Fire risk. Improper material increase hazards. Maintenance need. Ongoing care is essential for performance. Health concern. Some material poses health risk to occupants. Moisture issues. Moisture reduces insulation thermal efficiency. Now, conclusion. Energy efficient. Reduce energy consumption cost. Safety. Enhance first fire safety and structural integrity. Comfort. Improves indoor temperature regulation. Material selection. Choosing the right insulation for the job. Installation. Ensure proper installation for maximum effort effectiveness, future trend, explore advanced insulation techniques. So, to conclude, insulation plays a key role in improving comfort, safety, and energy efficiency. If you used properly, it can make building more sustainable. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.